everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 31st of October to the 4th of November 2022 on Monday. Mamlambo unwittingly gets in Kapsile's bad books. Mkondo is knocked for a 6 when he learns that Nosipho is expecting another man's child. Mbata's plan to raise money to buy his building shocks his ESCO members on Tuesday. Nomaswazi is surprised when she learns that Njinji want to use dark magic to fight Putin on Wednesday. Viga is shoved between a rock and a hard place by the people that did him wrong. Mkondo learns some unpleasant news about Nosipho. Mbata's plan of raising money seems to be a great success on Thursday. Flavia advises Nosipho or Kapsile to follow her heart when it comes to Nkunzi and Mtambisi, that she is also skating on thin ice on Friday. Kapsile braces herself for a big decision, but Nkunzi's bad news puts a halt to her plans. Nosipho and Pastor Kwala find out the gender of the baby. Viga finds out what have been happening right under his nose while Mbata runs a successful scam. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.